How to change payment method on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that your Roblox application is updated to its latest version on your device. So just go to the Play Store application and search for Roblox. Now as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to tap on play and it will lead me to the home page of Roblox application on my device. Now, after landing into the home page, make sure that you're logged into your account so that you can process further. So here's the account logged in. Now, after that, you can tap on the more section over here at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on more, then scroll, and you can see the option of settings. Tap on settings, and here you can see different options. Now tap on payment methods. And the payment methods page will look something like this. Now for you to make a payment method or change the payment method, you must be a premium user of Roblox. Now since I'm not a premium user, I don't have the access to change the payment method, but if you're already a premium user, you have already chosen a payment method. So if you want to change, just tap on the payment method and you can select whichever payment method you wish or which is convenient for you. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.